Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to permanently delete Snapchat messages from both sides on Android. If you send something you regret and want to remove it completely without the other person knowing, here's how to do it. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open Snapchat on your Android phone and tap on the chat icon at the bottom to open your conversations. Now, find the conversation where you want to delete messages and tap on it to open the chat. Okay, to delete a single message, tap and hold on the message you want to remove. You'll see several options like delete, copy, and reply. Tap delete. Here's the thing. Snapchat will warn you that friends can see that you deleted something. If you tap delete here, the message disappears, but the other person will see a notification that you deleted a message. So that's not fully secret. But if you want to delete messages without them knowing at all, there's a workaround. First, delete all the messages you want to remove by tapping and holding each one and selecting delete. Now, tap on the person's profile picture at the top of the chat to open their profile. Tap the three dots at the top right corner, then tap Manage Friendship. Tap Block and confirm by tapping Block again. This temporarily blocks them and clears the conversation completely from both sides. But we don't want to keep them blocked, so now tap on your profile icon at the top left, then tap the Settings gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Blocked Users. Find the person you just blocked and tap the X next to their name and confirm to unblock them. And that's it. The messages are now permanently deleted from both sides, and they won't see any notification that you deleted anything. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.